Hey y'all, it's Deandra. Stay a while. And oh, hit that like and subscribe button. In today's video, we are making rosemary water and oil. So what's the real tea on rosemary? Why is it trending everywhere? Why should you put it in your hair? And where's the proof? Well, rosemary promotes hair growth, reduces shedding, it's antibacterial, increases shine, relieves dry and itchy scalp, prevents dandruff, and studies have even showed that rosemary helps stopping premature grays. I wonder about the grays I already got. Anyway, in a 2015 study, rosemary was compared to minoxidil, a popular hair regrowth treatment, and after regular use, patients saw hair growth in 6 months. The base version of rosemary water is very simple. You place rosemary in simmering water for 20 minutes, let cool, bottle it up, and you're done. But if you want to add a little spice and additional benefits to your rosemary water, here are a few recipes that I've come up with that I love. And I switch it up depending on what mood I'm in. Today I'm using rosemary, 2 bags of Yogi's Honey Lavender Tea, and 2 sticks of cinnamon. I let that simmer for 20 minutes and set it to cool. While that's getting to room temperature, let me show you how I make rosemary oil. So first, you put rosemary into your container. This is an old Jamaican black castor oil bottle that I removed the label and I am reusing. And again, if you want the simple recipe, you would fill the bottle with olive oil or oils of your choice, store it in a dark place, and you're good. But y'all know how I love to get those extra nutrients for my hair whenever, since I have the diet of bacon, egg, and cheese and a pizza. So this is the recipe that I'll be doing. What's great about this use of rosemary, unlike rosemary water, you don't have to replace it as often. With rosemary water, you have to replace it after 5 days if it's refrigerated, 3 days if it's not refrigerated before it expires. I will probably use this rosemary oil though for about 3 months. After adding all of the oils, I shake the bottle, making sure that the rosemary is completely coated, and it should look something like this. Now I'm going to put this in my kitchen cupboard, shaking it occasionally for 1 to 2 weeks, then the oil will be ready for use, and I apply that as needed. Now back to the rosemary water. It should be cooled by now. Look at this beautiful coral color. I pour it into a spray bottle, and with whatever's left, I put it in an ice tray and freeze it for later use. To reuse, unthaw and put it in a spray bottle to use like normal. I spray rosemary on my hair about 3 to 4 times a week, twice a day. After, I tie my hair down to reduce frizz. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!